From obscure research labs to the front lines of trillion-dollar valuations, AI companies didn't just evolve. They exploded into the most valuable players on Earth. But what if I told you the next big AI disruption isn't in chatbots, but in the shadows of big tech? One domain is quietly catching up, that is manufacturing. And one startup, Turilytix.ai, is leading that shift. The rise of AI giants. In late 2022, the world woke up. OpenAI's ChatGPT exploded into the mainstream, the spark that lit the AI wildfire. Suddenly, everyone from Google to Microsoft to Meta was pouring billions into generative AI. Today, the generative AI market is set to hit $1.3 trillion by 2032. AI wasn't a buzzword anymore. Meet the titans, Nvidia, powering nearly every AI model on Earth, over $3 trillion in value. Microsoft, $10 billion into OpenAI. Google, DeepMind, Gemini, still fighting for the AI crown. OpenAI, redefining the future of general intelligence. Why are these companies dominating? It comes down to three things: compute power, GPU supremacy, data, massive training sets, monetization from ads to SaaS to subscriptions. AI isn't just futuristic, it's foundational. Healthcare, finance, retail, logistic, and now manufacturing. The silent revolution in manufacturing. While the world watches chatbots and DeepSeek, a new frontier is quietly transforming on the factory floor of paper manufacturing. The world thought it was impossible until today. But Turilytix.ai has delivered the first ever AI implementation that can predict paper sheet breaks before they happen. What was once dismissed as a manufacturing myth is now a proven reality, because Turilytix founder and CEO Dr. Sankar has always believed that nothing is impossible. From skepticism to success, from doubt to data, introducing Turilytix.ai, the no-code AI engine that's predicting machine failures, paper breaks, optimizing machines, and saving millions in downtime. Already deployed in India, South Africa, Indonesia, and in the USA. Turilytix predicts the unpredictable. Why Turilytix matters now? In industries such as paper manufacturing, where even a few minutes of downtime costs thousands of dollars, AI that sees early warning signals is a game changer. Helps shift in chargers take proactive action, reduces sheet breaks, boosts machine availability, all without a single line of code. This isn't science fiction. This is manufacturing intelligence made real. AI is not just for big tech anymore. It's for every factory, every operator, every shift. Turilytix is leading that wave with bold vision, real impact, and zero fluff. Shift managers now get early warnings. Operators get trend insights. Paper breaks are reduced significantly. Machines are more available. Decisions? Proactive. Results? Real. This isn't just software. It's intelligence that powers paper industry, and it's happening now, not next year. So as AI becomes the brain of our global economy, Turilytix is making sure the factories don't get left behind. So if you believe in the future of AI, don't just watch the trend. Build it, use it, lead it. Turilytix.ai. Intelligence, impact, industry. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on the future of AI. Drop your thoughts. What sector will AI transform next? And visit Turilytix.ai to see how we're building the next industrial revolution.